Hi, lifestyle lovers. Welcome back to It's E Lifestyle. If you are new here, welcome. My name is Erica. My channel is called It's E Lifestyle, and it's all about creating a good lifestyle. Part of having a good lifestyle is saving money. So most of you know I'm redesigning my bedroom, and on this particular project, I thought that I could save a few $100. So on a shop with me a few weeks ago, I found this $40 table in Home Goods. And it immediately reminded me of the Martini table at Restoration Hardware. The table is very similar in design, but it is not similar in price. So this particular video is going to be a DIY Restoration Hardware dupe. So if you are interested in how I turned this $40 table into a dupe $300 table, then keep watching. Okay, lifestyle lovers, just to give you an idea of the look that I'm actually duplicating, this is the Martini table from Restoration Hardware. It comes in several different colors. It comes in an antique brass as well as a black, and I want to say a silver, and it comes in a few different sizes ranging from 8 inches all the way up to 14 inches. So the table I purchased from Home Goods is exactly 14 inches. So I wanted to have a similar look of the antique brass, or, a goldish type color, simply because my accent color in my bedroom is gold. And as you can see, if you purchased it from Restoration Hardware in a 14 inch, the price for non-members is $3.95, and I was actually considering spending this money, lifestyle lovers. So let's go ahead and get started with saving money. Now, to get this duplicate look, we are just simply going to add some spray paint. This is the Rust-Oleum Matte Metallic spray paint in the Sunlit Brass color. I did not want a shiny look, so that is why I decided to go with this matte metallic. Okay, lifestyle lovers, let's get started. I would recommend a facial mask because we're all using them right now anyway. And I also have a plastic cap just to protect my hair. Now, the wind is not that bad today, but when the wind blows, it does tend to blow the spray paint possibly in your direction. So I would recommend some type of protective covering, but I am just going to evenly coat the entire table in the spray paint. So this is pretty much how it looks with one coat of spray paint. I'm going to allow it to dry probably about an hour to 2 hours, and then I am going to go in with another coat because it is really, really light, lighter than I wanted it to be. So yeah. Okay, lifestyle lovers, this is pretty much how it looks after a second coat of the same spray paint, the Sunlit Brass, and it's still a little lighter than I want it to be. And that's the thing with DIYs, sometimes you get it right, sometimes you don't. But I think I'm going to head to the store and get something that has a little bit more color in it. It'll still be gold, but I think that this DIY is not to my liking. Okay, so we're going to try this again. I took another trip to Home Depot and I have the metallic Rust-Oleum Universal. It's the same brand, but I have the pure gold color. So I'm just gonna go in over the table to give it a little bit more color. I don't want it quite as brass as the one from Restoration Hardware, but this particular color that I've gotten so far is really too light for me. Okay, so this is what it's looking like after a full coat of the pure gold, and I'm now liking it. I'm almost loving it. So I'm just gonna allow it to dry for a few hours and stay tuned for the finished look. And here it is. So what do you think, lifestyle lovers? I think it turned out gorgeous, and I am absolutely loving it. So just imagine I was going to spend $395 on a table. I only spent $40, a few dollars on 2 cans of spray paint, and I absolutely love this look. Now it also can be styled several different ways. I can add some books to it with a candle, or I can also add a flower arrangement, but I think I'm just going to keep it just like it is. That way when I'm sitting here on my chase, if I decide to lotion down, I have somewhere to put the lotion, or if I decide to have a glass of wine, I have somewhere where I can sit my glass of wine. But that's pretty much it for this DIY, lifestyle lovers. I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know in the comments what you think. I think I did an absolutely great job. I love it. I found this particular table at my local Home Goods, so I won't be able to link it, but I will link a table that's very similar. But other than that, lifestyle lovers, I thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye.